Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix a missing mobile menu in Wix, so visitors can navigate the website easily on any device. This quick fix helps keep the mobile layout user-friendly and functional. On the Wix Editor dashboard, we start by switching to the mobile view. Click the mobile view icon at the top. Once there, open the Layers panel to check if the menu is there. Then click the header and then the menu. As we can see, the menu is right there. If the menu is not showing up, the first thing to check is whether it is hidden or visible. If it is hidden, simply unhide it so it shows on the page. As we can see, it is not currently displayed. We can also check this visibility setting to make sure the menu is turned on. And there is our menu. We can make edits directly from here. Once done, we can go back and see the menu is showing again. That is how we restore a missing mobile menu in Wix in just a few simple steps. With the menu back in place, the site will be easy to navigate on mobile again.